Hey guys, this is Gary down at Donnelly Ford Shelby, just outside enjoying the weather again, but I wanted to take some time to showcase one of my favorite cars on the lot. Check out this 2024 Bronco Heritage Robin Egg Blue. This thing is a beauty. Check this out. This is like a flashback from the past, folks. This car is on fire, man. This reminds me of the old models that used to run the streets. This thing is pristine. With a 2.7 EcoBoost V6 and a 10-speed automatic transmission, this Bronco is all right. This car is going to go fast, so make sure you stop on down Donnelly Ford Shelby or give me a call. Number is 419-347-4100, extension 4016. And as always, make sure you ask for Gary. You will not be disappointed.